Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Language with Puja. Let's start our listening practice. In a small town lived a poor but honest boy named Arav. He was 12 years old and helped his mother by delivering newspapers every morning before going to school. Arav was known by everyone for his kindness and truthfulness. One day, while delivering newspapers, Arav noticed that the door of an old watch shop was open. Inside, the shopkeeper, Mr. Sen, was sitting on the floor, looking worried. Broken pieces of a large wall clock were scattered around him. "What happened, sir?" Arav asked gently. Mr. Sen sighed and said, "This clock belonged to my father. It stopped working years ago. Today I tried to fix it, but it broke completely. I don't have the money to repair it." Arav felt sad for him and continued his work. Later that day, while cleaning his school bag, Arav found a small golden coin stuck in one of the pockets. He suddenly remembered that it must have fallen from Mr. Sen's table when he leaned inside the shop earlier. The coin looked valuable. Arav thought, "With this money, I could buy new shoes and help my mother." For a moment, he felt tempted to keep it. But his heart did not agree. The next morning, Arav went back to the watch shop and placed the coin on the counter. "Sir, this is yours. I found it yesterday," he said. Mr. Sen's eyes filled with tears. "My boy, this coin is very precious. It was hidden inside the clock. I thought it was lost forever." He opened the broken clock again and smiled. The coin had fallen out and helped him discover the exact place where the clock was damaged. With this, he was able to repair it easily. "You didn't just return my coin," Mr. Sen said. "You fixed my clock and restored my faith in honesty." As a reward, Mr. Sen offered Arav a job in his shop after school hours and also gifted him a new pair of shoes. Arav walked home happily, not because of the reward, but because he had done the right thing.